Hello everyone, this is Foxtecc, and today we're diving into a crucial topic for iPhone users, 5G settings. Now, 5G is the pinnacle of internet networks, bringing lightning-fast speeds and enhanced connectivity. But did you know that not every iPhone supports it, and you might actually want to adjust these settings? Let's explore this together. So 5G is the most advanced internet network available, promising faster speeds and improved connectivity. However, not every iPhone model supports it. Surprisingly, you might find yourself wanting to turn it off or on for various reasons. Let's dive into how you can do that. If you're looking to tweak your 5G settings, it's a straightforward process. Let me guide you through the steps. First, access the settings on your iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro. Once you're in, navigate to the cellular section within settings. That's where the magic happens. Within the cellular section, click on Cellular Data Options at the top of the panel. This is your gateway to configuring 5G preferences. You'll see an option called Data Mode. Click on that, and here's where the customization begins. You can choose from Standard, allow more data on 5G, or Low Data Mode based on your preferences and needs. But wait, there's more. For additional fine-tuning, click on Voice and Data. This allows you to customize 5G settings even further. You'll find options like 5G only, 5G auto, LTE, or 4G. These choices give you the flexibility to align your iPhone's connectivity with your usage requirements. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out Foxtecc's educational platform that I've created for free. The link is in the description below, providing additional insights and resources for your tech journey. Well, that's a wrap for today's discussion on 5G settings for your iPhone. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, peace.